Okay, here we have the Menards Track Inspection Set. Comes with a larger box truck in yellow with M&Ms on the side, and a small red Jeep-like truck with more M&Ms on the side. This one is on or off only. It is not controlled by the remote, and it has flashing blue and red lights, which is odd for a maintenance vehicle, but it's alright. We'll put that around the track in a minute. And here we have the large box truck. On and off button. It's already on. Let's control it with the remote. Well, it does not want to go forwards. It'll go backwards just fine though. Came out of the box like this. I suppose we can watch it go backwards anyway. I don't think those lights should be flashing. So, leads me further to believe that it might be in the controller, not in the vehicle itself. It took a few tries to get it to work there. I have to push fairly hard. Yeah, if I don't push down on it with like almost all my strength, it's not working. Oh, it went forward and I was pushing the backwards button. Interesting. It's going forwards now. I'm still pushing the backwards button. This is the forwards button. And it goes backwards. And then it went... Wow. Okay, interesting. Do not recommend.